high sugar cookies for those of you. Rewind, don't stop. Oh, rewind, don't stop. High sugar cookies, thanks for joining me. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisper, and you're watching a food, fashion, and lifestyle channel. It seems like I'm always asking questions, but that's a good way to get communication going, and I really get to pick your brains and you get to pick mine. I'm coming with inspiration and ideas, but I also want to hear from you. Having said all that, I want to know, are you the type of person that really enjoys fall or the autumn season, whichever you want to call it? You like the decor, you like the vibes, you like the coziness, you like the ambiance, you like all the rustic colors, you like all the ciders and all the things and all the recipes and all the lattes and everything, but you necessarily don't want to decorate your house with a bunch of pumpkins. Now, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. Did I lose some of you? By the way, for those of you who don't know, I live in
Swampish, Florida.
Fall weather here is very minimal, and it is November already. We have our cold days, and by the time the afternoon comes, we're already back in the 80s. Fall is my favorite season ever. Fall is my favorite color ever, 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 ever. Is it yours? What's a goal to do? Well, I do know that I have options, so I'm going to share with you how I bring fall into my Floridian home. I do it more with colors and textures. I do have a few little pumpkins tucked in here and there from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna point out what are the Dollar Tree items that I have and how I've used them around the house.
I think they're gonna look parties.
I'm very eclectic in my taste. If I had to describe my home, I would say it's global, Spanish rustic, but one of the ways that I reel it all in and I make it all cohesive is through textures and mainly through color, especially in a semi-open floor plan. That's a tip, is pay attention because it's for free. Let me show you. Right here you will see this beautiful array of pumpkins. These are from the Dollar Tree. I have a video on Dollar Tree fall finds in one of my playlists, go check that out. These are beautiful. It's something like you will find at Hobby Lobby or at places like TJ Maxx or anything like that, but these were only $1.25. They look very upscale to me.
It's parties.
All of these colors are in my current decoration, and this is how I like my decor to be. It has to be practical and pretty and budget friendly. Don't get me wrong, I have my expensive pieces tucked in here and there that will stand the test of time, but as far as things that are trendy and things that are easy to swap out, I try not to spend a lot of money on that. Let me show you my next Dollar Tree find. These are also part of that Dollar Tree fall haul. Again, refer to my playlist. This wheat I got at Publix. I still see them there. And then I just incorporated these pumpkins there, and I think that it works out with my decor quite nicely. This came from Dollar General. That's also on my playlist. And then I have these napkins. As you notice, I have this tray here, and what this tray does, it corrals and it's pretty. It has a nice aesthetic, at least for me. And everything is functional. I have salt and pepper shakers. I have some plates here, and I have these beautiful Spode teacups, or tea mugs, I should say. Aren't these pretty? And I thought that even though these are different patterns, they all go together. That's okay. Like I mentioned, I'm very eclectic. And this is a crock that I got at the Dollar General. You can refer to my fall Dollar General haul as well on the playlist. These napkins are from TJ Maxx, and 8 come in a pack. And I like to place all these items like this, corral them all on a tray, because it's practical, it's beautiful, and to me it has a very nice European aesthetic. On to the next one. I love those maple leaves. I got those from Publix years ago. This is the last leg, meaning the last year that I can use these leaves because they've had better days. My husband's like, you need to let those go. But I will. But I still think that they look beautiful. They look rustic. It goes with the organic kind of eclectic feel that I like throughout the house. Those bouquet pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. Now this one right here, this velvet one, I got from Target years ago for $1. As you can see here, I have a mix of pillows. This is not a sponsored video. This is just what I have in the current decor and colors that I have going on in my house. I love turquoise, but it can be very tricky to decorate through your house. If not, your home can start looking like,
Thank you for being a friend. Dun, dun, dun. Travel back.
I love that show, but I don't want my house looking like it, especially not in 2023. It doesn't go with my aesthetic, okay? Don't judge me. Back to the pillow. These are pillow covers. And again, I got this from Temu and I like it for this time of year. The trick to make everything look cohesive and interesting is not only through different textures and patterns, make sure that the colors, they blend together, they marry well with each other. The inserts make a difference. I love that this is a down feather insert and it allows me to do the chop on it and fluff it out, and it gives it a nice aesthetic. Doing this type of pairing with different textures and pillows and heights and things gives it interest, and it also softens the leather a bit. Then down the road we have that pumpkin and we have this lumbar pillow there as well. Let me go around here so that I can get it and bring it up closer. This, I think I got it at TJ Maxx years ago, but I still see them coming out. I've even seen bigger ones, and I like that it's yarn. It has nice texture. Again, it goes with the decor, with the color scheme that I have in my house currently, and I've had this lumbar pillow for years. Shop your home and see how you can decorate throughout the seasons with the things you have at home, and then you augment them. I love this thrifted find. I've had this for several years now. I only paid like $5 for it. I think this is also Murano glass. Look at the detail on that, and it's a real vase. I do put flowers in it. Stunning. Do you see the bronzy? Do you see the copper pieces in there? And the gold? Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Again, the colors go with my decor. And the Dollar Tree pumpkins. Looks very nice. I have my succulents here and my succulent globe right there. I have a little mirror to reflect the sunlight. This is very eclectic, but it's also very fall inspired. This is a DIY that I did, oh my gosh, years and years and years ago. Each piece I got separate, 50 cents. 2 of these for $1 at a yard sale. This bottom cost me 50 cents. Dollar Tree candle, bada bing, bada boom, there you go. And it's functional because I live in Florida, where sometimes the power goes out. Hurricane, I have immediate light, and it's pretty and it's practical. Next. Ay. It doesn't fail, y'all. I didn't see nothing. Like I said, I'm eclectic and I love turquoise, and this is one of the ways that I display it, and I also include it in different color schemes or decorations or seasonal decorations throughout the year. One of the ways that I do that is by feathers. I ordered these feathers from Temu. Not sponsored, but that's what I did. I ordered these long plumage right here. I forget what these are called. And then I got the pheasant feathers and the peacock feathers in different sizes. I have rock and seashells because I live in Florida. Let me tell you a little bit about what's going on here and how you can get a curated look if this is your bag, if this is your flavor. I'm from New York City, so I've been accustomed to a lot of different cultures. I've traveled the world. I'm not done traveling, and that's reflected in my decor. I hope that you can see that and understand why I have a little bit of everything. And again, one of the ways that I tie all of that mix is through color scheme. These books right here are books that I really do enjoy. I have it here also for company. I'm a little bit of a bookworm myself. I've had to taper that down though. This pair of marble bookends here, again, because I'm from the Big Apple, it's always represented in my home no matter where I am in the world. And I have this thrifted Murano glass egg, which is absolutely beautiful and goes with my decor. I got this for $1. This beautiful piece right here, it almost dances. It's beautiful. My husband gifted to me the first year that we moved here in Florida. He saw me eyeballing this in the store. I think it was at Home Goods, and he said, babe, you want it? And I was like, yes. I think this would stand beautifully alone, backlit with something. That may be a project down the line. This vase was thrifted for $2. I absolutely love this glass. I placed some of the rocks and some of the seashells that me and my family have collected since we've been here in Florida. Again, keep that at bay. And then these peacock feathers. I wish I remember what these feathers are called, but I like the mix and I like the different sizes of peacocks there. Ow! And then I have the pheasant feathers back there. Just so you get some ideas, this is how I incorporate fall. What can be more fall than pheasant feathers? Hello? Hello? This is my kitchen dining table. It seats 4, it extends out to 6. I also have 2 other chairs in the background there. But this is how I have it set. It suits my decor. It goes with everything that I have in the house. It flows. The color scheme, again, I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but the color scheme just flows. Now, I wanna show you something, and I need your opinion on this. I'm thinking about putting a tablecloth, or fabrics actually, on the table. Let me show you what I have on hand. Some of these fabrics I even have from when I lived in Japan. This is the color scheme that I'm thinking about. This fabric I got from, I think, Joann's, but this one right here, oh my goodness, I got this. I've had this fabric since I lived in Japan. You can see it says 300 yen on there. It's absolutely beautiful. It's creamy. And this denim right here, I think will complement the blue that is on this setting right here and the blues that I have in the background. Let me know. So now that you see it together, let me know what you think. I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, then I'll remove it. I'm gonna make a video on changing my tablescape a little bit more to reflect probably closer to the Thanksgiving holiday, just to give you some ideas and just to change it up a little bit. Now we are in my dining room, and this is the arrangement that I have going on. I know it's a little funky, but it goes with what I like. It goes with my decor, my color scheme. Okay, that's gonna bug me that that candlestick is crooked. And you can see back there that I have some fuzzy, well, you can't tell from here, but I have, so I'll bring you closer, some pumpkin back there. Focus, camera, and let me be great. These fuzzy pumpkins I got at Target a while ago. That corn I got, that faux corn I got at Dollar Tree beaded. It came in a pack of 3 for $1.25. That was a great deal. I have some fall fruits and vegetables in there. Again, it goes with my color scheme. I like the way that looks. Beautiful, nice and harvesty. If you like this kind of video and you found some value in it and you got a chuckle, laugh, or two, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Share the video. Why? Because sharing gets me out there and the algorithm says,
Hello, she's there.
Psst, post a notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell. And select all. This way you don't miss any of my videos. As I say around here, be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Y'all come back now, you hear? It's getting a little hot up in here. I'm verschwitzing. Zoe, please. Can we wait till I get through a video before you have to go outside? Now she's gotta go again, like the last video. Now she's gotta go do her thing. Hold on a minute. This is just a little bonus footage. Ever since I've gotten into food preservation, the bowls have gotten bigger and bigger. What do you mean? Hello? Look at how huge this is. This holds 30 gallon. Oh, cry! Ooh. Y'all still there? Are my ears bleeding?
That was dumb.
Dinner is served. Huge! Ooh. This lipstick lip gloss situation is something. This is by Milani. This is, what is this called? In the DMs. And, why is this stinging me? What is it? Have you tried this before? What is it? Oh my goodness, no wonder, Cookie. It says keep it full. That should have been a clue. It says plumping lip lacquer. This is, I don't know, kind of a little on the cusp. Yeah, on the cusp of being a little uncomfortable, but what do you think of the color? It goes with my Maruchan t-shirt. I picked up the color from that. This particular lifestyle video is lifestyle. Don't judge me.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.